All right, Tyler here with NiceRink. Today I'm going to show you how to put on a bumper cap. So with the new bumper caps, you see there's kind of two shapes to these sides. So you want to put the side that has the ribs in the back on the back side of the bumper, so this flat face is on the front. So all you're going to do is they're pre-cut. Just separate them. Start here. Just get a neon. Keep separating them. And just keep putting them on. And it should just slide right on. And just keep doing that all the way around the rink. Alright, so after you're finished putting on the bumper caps, sometimes you'll have a little spare. You can just take a saw or scissors and just cut it off.